Hey guys, this is Aaron with Sir on Pit Stop, and today I'll be showing you guys how to install our LED light kit.
Looking inside the package, we have our light controller module, 2 extender cables, 6 LED light modules, zip ties, a key fob remote, an extra fuse, and a piece of double-sided mounting tape. First, turn the bike off. Open the battery latch and flip the circuit breaker off. The breaker should be to the left with the indicator showing black. Next, unplug the data and power cables and remove the battery. Using a 4mm Allen key, carefully remove the ignition plate. Trace the headlight power cable to its connector. Unplug the headlight and plug in your light controller module. Lastly, plug the headlight into the light controller module as well. Using a 3mm Allen key, remove the bolt on the left of the battery bay. Feed your light controller module through the battery cover. Route the wires under the cover on the left side of the battery bay and reinstall the bolt. Make sure the wires are routed carefully to avoid damage. Next, pull the light controller module under the seat. After wiping the surface off with a dry and clean rag, affix the controller to the back of the battery bay with the included mounting tape. Now comes the fun part, installing the light modules. When installing the lights, take some time to plan out your wiring. Here are our 6 recommended spots to mount your LED modules. These lights can be installed by daisy chaining them anywhere on the bike using the included extender cables. Before applying a light module, wipe off the bike surface with a clean and dry rag. This will firmly mount the lights for any riding conditions. Carefully zip tie the extra length of the power cables to keep them out of the way. Carefully reinstall the ignition plate using your 4mm Allen key. Finally, reinstall the battery by plugging in the data and power cables. Flip the breaker to the right so it indicates red. Your Sir on Pit Stop LED light kit is now installed and ready to go. Turn your key to test it out and pick a color setting you like. Thanks again for supporting Sir on Pit Stop. We hope you enjoy our kit. Tag us on your Instagram story or contact us through our website. Ride safe, ride hard, take care.